Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. In today's class we are going to do the vocab of chapter 3 and the back exercises of the same chapter. And before that we should start the class. I would say a big thanks to everyone, those who send me beautiful lovely messages on Teachers Day, because it made me on cloud 9 that day. And one more thing that I would like to say, students who are even writing happy Teachers Day, that's also means a lot for me. Don't say that I put a status. Generally I don't put it, but I did, because it means a lot when if we are not in contact, but still students remember me and sending me such beautiful quotes, such beautiful images, and such beautiful sentences of their love. And this means a lot for me. Thank you so much. It's a big thanks for you all, right? And second thing, I would like to congratulate you all for your marvelous and splendid, I would say, scores in your exam, because without a physical contact with your teacher, depending on videos only, and you don't get even space for clearing your doubts. Sometimes you are getting 20 out of 20, 19, 18. It means that you are studying well at your places. Thank you so much for that again, and you make me proud for that. So let's start the class with a new zeal and a new courage. So we were on vocab. So let's start from page 38. Page 38 here, right? So first word that we have here, that is avec. Avec means with. D'abord, firstly. Pour, for. Pour, for. Agile, cardigan. Cardigan or sweater, you can say. Agile, cardigan. Manteau, coat or overcoat. That's up to you which coat you are talking about. Pantalon, trousers or pants, right? Pantalon, trousers or pants. Pantalon is also which we generally call pantaloons in English. It's a brand also, which means pants, right? A t-shirt is a t-shirt. Une chemise, a shirt. Une chemise, a shirt. Then we have here, it's une cravate. Une cravate, a tie. Then we have écharpe. It's une écharpe. What mean by écharpe? It's scarf, right? That we have already done. Une jupe, a skirt. Une robe, a feminine dress. Des chaussettes. What mean by chaussette? We have done. That is socks. Then des gants, the gloves. Le travail, work. Then what do we have here? What is it? Les vêtements. Les vêtements, the clothes. Les vêtements, the clothes. Right? Now, come to this page 39 here. We have the exercises related to the topics that we have already done, right? In chapter 3. So, conjuguer le verbe entre parenthèses au présent. Conjuguer les verbes au parenthèses au présent means conjugate the verbs given in the brackets in present. We have already done how to conjugate different verbs like er and ir ending. So, you just need to apply that formula. Okay? So, let's start with A part. L/Argeli. L/Argeli which means she slash in Delhi. She lives in Delhi. Abite is the verb, which means she lives in Delhi. So what we are going to put with L, it would be HABITE according to the ER ending rule. Right, so A part, question number 1, A part, HABITE, right? HABITE. Then we have, what is it? Jérôme et Suzanne slash le radio. Jérôme et Suzanne slash la radio. Radio say radio. Écouter is to listen. They are listening the radio. So there we have two people, one Jérôme and Suzanne. So it doesn't matter they are male or female, because we have the same conjugation with both of them. So which matters? It's plural, more than one, right? So il pluriel takes SONT, with ER ending it takes ENT at the end. So you have to remove ER and write ENT. In the case of more than one person, so écoute, TENT. Don't worry, I will give you the answer keys at the end, right, after doing the all exercises. So next one is nous slash à l'aéroport. We are arriving at the airport. So we arrive. Arrive is also again ER ending verb. So what do we add with the nous, ONS? So we are going to cut ER and we write ONS. Arrivons. ARRIVONS. Nous arrivons à l'aéroport, which means we are arriving at the airport. Then we have next one, je slash ton invitation. Accepter. Accepter is to accept. I am accepting your invitation. So J apostrophe is there. So we are not supposed to do anything. Accepter. J'accepte with E. What will be the suffix? E only. J'accepte ton invitation. I accept your invitation. Then E part is Pierre slash say photo. Pierre is sending Montre is to show. Pierre is showing his photos. Montre, you can see here Montre. So what we are going to write, Pierre is a singular one or singular person. So we are going to write E at the end. We'll cut ER and put E. So montre. Pierre montre ses photos. Pierre is showing his photographs. Then vous slash sur le trottoir. Vous slash sur le trottoir. You are walking on the footpath, right? Then marcher. Marcher, you can see here marcher. MARCHER. So we are going to cut ER and we'll put EZ, because it's writing you are. It's plural you. So marcher, MARCHEZ. What do we write with vous? EZ. Then Ria et Pia slash la porte. Ria et Pia are closing the door. Fermer is to close, right? So feminine plural, we are going to write ENT at the end as a suffix. So FERMENT. Elle ferme, la porte, they are closing the door, right? I hope you understood this question. So we are going to continue with question number 2 and the following exercises in the next class. Till then, you have to revise whatever we have done in this chapter so that it should be easy for you to understand all the exercises a bit faster, right? I know your exams are going on. If you get time, then open your book and go through whatever we have done. And we are going to meet in the next video with some new things, and we are going to do the back exercises. Till then, stay home, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.